Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. When the news of INS Vikrant starting the sea trials came in defense sources and news media, many defense lovers were happy to see the India's first indigenous aircraft carrier reaching that particular stage. The Indian Navy was basking in glory to see their second aircraft carrier getting into the next stage of its development. Obviously, this is indeed a great news for the Indian Navy since currently they have only one aircraft carrier in their fleet, which is the INS Vikramaditya. The pics of the aircraft carrier sailing the ocean was so nice to see. While observing the INS Vikrant very closely, the majority of them felt that the two aircraft lifts shown in the pic or visible in the pic were very smaller in size, and many had doubts if it would be able to fit in the upcoming Indian Navy's twin engine deck based fighter or not. During the initial stage of work, many felt that these lifts of the aircraft carrier were designed to accommodate and operate the existing Russian MiG 29K and India's LCA Navy Mark II aircrafts. So now many doubt if it can operate the twin engine deck based fighter that is under development or the Rafale M of Dassault Aviation and F-18 Super Hornet of Boeing if Indian Navy were to procure them. So what actually is an aircraft carrier lift? Aircraft carrier lifts are used to move the fighters on board the ship deck to the storage facility below decks for repairs and regular maintenance. Such lifts are high speed aluminum hydraulic elevators which are big enough and powerful enough to lift these fighter jets. Based on the comparison done between the twin engine deck based fighter, the MiG 29K, the Super Hornet of Boeing, Rafale M of Dassault Aviation, it has been officially announced by the Indian Navy that these lifts of INS Vikrant are big enough to fit the MiG 29K and it can even accommodate the Rafale M that has unfoldable wings. The twin engine deck based fighter is smaller in dimension when compared to the MiG 29K, so not an issue for that fighter as well. If we compare the overall length of all these fighters, the Boeing F-18 Super Hornet has an overall length of 18.31 meters when compared to the other fighters, so this could be an issue for the F-18 to be operated from INS Vikrant. But these are something which is not a confirmed news. All these discussions and updates coming from various sources, I'm sure there are solutions for every problem here, so we don't have to worry about the aircraft lifts of INS Vikrant when Indian Navy itself is happy with them. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.